I know I'm not the only one who fantasize about discovering something really valuable in my basement, attic, or the next time I go to the flea market. It's like any other week, there is a story about someone discovering something very valuable, some grand master painting or some very rare artifact. I realize not everyone can be that lucky, but it happens so much times it gives me hope that one day I might just discover something. Who knows? I'm telling you this because it's one of those amazing stories. This story is about brother and sister from Newcastle, UK. Back in 2009, when their eccentric uncle died, they inherited this dusty old garage. What they found in that garage left them stunned and they couldn't believe their eyes. Dr. Harold Carr was a lifelong eccentric, and while his whole family knew he was collecting cars, none of them knew he had such a beauty in his dusty garage. In an interview for The Mirror, his nephew said, "It was local folklore that my uncle had a Bugatti. No one knew that for sure, and certainly no one knew how much that car worth. Once they inherited the dusty garage, and once they cleared out the garage, they found out that the rumors were true. Their uncle was owner of a true automotive history. He owned a Bugatti Type 57S Atalante worth staggering $8.5 million. The car is one of the only 43 made, and this one in particular was made in May 1937. It was purchased by Dr. Carr in 1955 from Francis Curzon, who was member of the Parliament and racing enthusiast. Dr. Harold's car Bugatti disappeared in 1960 right after the license expired. When it was found in the garage alongside other classic car Aston Martin, the Bugatti Type 57S Atalante was covered in dust and decades-old notes from people who desperately wanted to buy the car. When the car was eventually sold, all the millions were divided up among his relations. If this story gives you hope that maybe someday you will discover something similar, then you are just like me.